Go. Live from DZFB 89.0.
This is Caloocan City Frontline News.
Voice of the Unearthed.
Eyes of the Unseen. This station bringing the exclusive news to the nation. Station DZFB 89.0. Good day, Philippines.
Good day, Caloocan City.
You're listening to the #1 leading news station. This is Caloocan City Frontline News.
Where we bring you the latest happenings around the world. This is Edwin Ross.
I'm Mr. Memo, here to bring you the most factual news with no bias, serving you nothing but the truth. For the headlines. For the international news, Philippine government strengthening communication with governments worldwide.
For the national news, maximum suggested retail price of imported rice to be implemented, 58 pesos per kilo.
For the local news, Philippines is healing, number of unemployed increase.
For the sports news, Barangay Ginebra marked a new comeback, and those are the headlines. For the international news, Philippine government to strengthen communication with governments worldwide. Here is Althea for the full details.
Philippines is set to open 4 foreign missions in North America and Asia Pacific to expand communication worldwide and to strengthen the international connection of the country. During the diplomatic corps in President Marcos' speech, he stated that he plans to expand and boost the country's diplomatic connection with the governments around the world. This is Althea reporting. For national news, maximum suggested retail price of imported rice to be implemented 58 pesos per kilo. Jade, give us the full details.
Agriculture Secretary Francisco P. Diolano announced that starting January 20, Department of Agriculture or DA will implement a 58 pesos per kilo of MSRP imported rice based on consultation of leading importers, retailers, and rice industry stakeholders. It's initially planned to implement in Metro Manila for 5% broken imported. This is mandatory, including supermarkets and groceries. This is Jade reporting.
This program will return after a few reminders.
Have you been eating?
I don't have the appetite.
What did you say? Oh, you're going to start a scene again, huh? Fine. If I tell you to eat!
Child abuse is one of the worst cases in the Philippines. According to the Supreme Court decision of Associated Justice Joseph Lopez, an action is considered as an abuse if it hurt your own child on purpose, such as eating, hitting, and other forms of abuse that can hurt them physically and mentally. This information is brought to you by the Supreme Court.
Time check. It is now 1:55 in the afternoon.
For the local news, number of unemployed decreased. Here is Elise Perol to give us the full details. Decrease of percentage of unemployment of Filipinos is rate. Based on labor survey of the Philippines, statistic for the PSA that there's 3.2% of reducing numbers of unemployment last year. PSA Speaker Ferdinand Romualdez stated there is a continuous growth in the economy and creation of jobs are still running due to the government programs. This is Elise reporting.
For the sports news, Barangay Ginebra marked a new comeback.
Adrian Mariano scores 15 meters while Janet Aguilar and 10 points due to Ginebras results from the report, increasing their 63 cards in the power chance in quarterfinals. Along with a drop in the real last 8 cards executed in the cup. This is Alex Jacob Rush from the scene.
And that concludes the 5-minute news update.
Home the station where news prevails. And once again, this is the April Boss.
And I am Mr. Memo. This is Caloocan City Frontline News.
Official Night, Family